So we have Deekshita here. So Deekshita, can you please introduce about yourself and your school and what are the offers that you got? And can you start with that?
Yeah, so my name is Deekshita. I have done my schooling from Cases International School in Coimbatore, and I started my CLAT journey from 11th grade onwards, and now I have got offers from Symbiosis Hyderabad, Symbiosis Pune and Tamil Nadu National Law University, and I'm going to continue on with Symbiosis Pune this year. And yeah.
So can you specifically say like what were the challenges you faced during your CLAT preparation and how did you overcome it?
Okay, so I actually lived in a foreign country up until 9th grade, so I had no basics of Indian constitution, Indian history. I didn't even know who Ambedkar was until I reached like 11th grade. So I think it's when you start your CLAT journey, especially if you have 2 years, in the first year, focus a lot on getting the basics done, like who was the first prime minister, first president. And then in the second year, then you can like go on the specifics, like the actual current events, like oil leaks, trade dynamics and stuff. You can focus more specifics in the second year, but get the first foundations right. And this not only goes for current affairs. I struggled with current affairs quite a lot, but I think this extends to other subjects as well, such as legal. For the first year, I only attended classes. It was only in the second year that I actually started doing questions and actually focusing on the topics.
Okay, so how important do you think mock tests are? So I think this will be this will give a lot of insight to the upcoming batches. So what is your opinion on that?
I think mock tests are very important, and Career Launcher gives a very nice frequency of mock tests. And as long as studying is important, but you don't realize how wrong you are going or where you need more improvement until you actually do tests. And I think mock tests, there are variants. So one test you might find something that you're really good at, the next test you'll find a weakness. So it's best to find these weaknesses during the mock test than during the actual D-Day paper.
Finally, what would be the advice that you would give to the upcoming law aspirants?
I think it's best to know yourself the best. I know that a lot of law gurus, they'll say to read newspapers. I personally do not have the patience to read newspapers. I usually prefer video formats, and since I found this out pretty early on, I didn't waste time reading newspapers. I would search up videos, I would search up news channels, I would watch the news broadcasts, and also to use the support that you have. We don't realize it as kids, but our parents are part of this journey too. There have been many times I've cried, I've complained, I've kind of ranted to my parents, and I'm really grateful that they were there to listen.
Okay, Deekshita, thank you and all the best.
Thank you, sir.